customer! Congratulations for choosing LG top-loading washing machine. Now, we would like to present a video that provides the method of product installation that includes product leveling, water supply hose connection, drain hose connection, preparation for washing, choosing a wash program, child lock function, cleaning of filters, and other commands. Before installing the product, we need to select a place with even flooring to avoid unnecessary noise or unbalance in the product. Product leveling to be done as follows. Check the leveling of machine by putting hands diagonally as shown in video. Unscrew the adjustable leg until the leg of machine levels with the other leg. Check the leveling again for any misalignment. Let us now move to connecting water supply hose. Separate middle connector from water supply hose. Loosen the middle connector. Loosen the fixed screws. To connect the connector to the tap, push the upper connector till the rubber packing is in tight contact with the tap. Then, tighten the screws. Tighten the connectors by holding upper connector and twist middle connector to the right. And check for any water leakage. Press down the pressing rod of water supply hose and join it to the middle connector. Connect the other end of water supply hose to washing machine inlet port. Now, the water supply hose connection is complete. Now we will move on to connecting the drain hose. Insert the drain hose to the connecting area at the body and fix it using hose clamp. Extend the drain hose to the drainage line. While machine is in operation, always ensure that the drain hose is led into drainage line and avoid bend of drain hose assembly. In this section, we will see how to prepare for washing and select a program. Select and sort types of clothes. Separate heavier and lighter clothes. Remove hard objects, if any, like clips, coins, etc. from pockets. Put the heavier load first and then put the lighter ones. Add required amount of detergent on detergent dispenser. Press power button to switch on your washing machine. Push program button to select the desired wash cycle. For day-to-day wash, you can use a fuzzy program. If you select fuzzy program, machine will automatically select the water level and required wash, rinse and spin cycle and run accordingly. Press start to operate complete wash cycle after selecting required program. If you need to select rinse cycle separately, press rinse button repeatedly to select required number of rinse cycle. A similar procedure is followed for spin cycle also by pressing spin button. Select required water level by pressing water button and select type of water, hot or cold. Used for wash cycle by pressing inlet temperature button. Now we will move to child lock activation and deactivation function. To operate child lock function, press rinse and spin button simultaneously. It will display CL, which indicates child lock is activated. Press the same button again to deactivate the child lock function. Now we will move to cleaning of various filters. To start with inlet filter cleaning, Loosen the water supply hose. Pull out the inlet valve with the help of nose plier. Wash the filter with tap water and clean the same with the help of brush. Refix the inlet valve and tighten the water supply hose. To clean the magic filter, pull out the magic filter from washing machine. Clean the filter with the help of tap water and brush. Refix the magic filter on washing machine drum. For cleaning inside of washing machine, press Program button to select Tub Clean Program. Now we will be showing how to deal with other commands displayed on machine panel. IE error. If the machine is not able to take the required amount of water for wash cycle, it will display IE error. Check if tap is open and remove clogging if any. These actions will remove IE error. UE error. If washing laundry is piled up at one side, its drum is shaken and UE error is displayed. In this case, stop the spin dry cycle and open the lid to adjust laundry. And then press Start button to start the cycle. These actions will remove UE error. Please note that machine will try to adjust against unbalance on its own thrice. If unbalance is still not controlled, then UE error is displayed. DE error. If during inner tub rotation by any means lid is open, machine will display DE error. Close the lid and the machine will run automatically. That's all for washing machine self-installation training. We again thank you for opting for LG top loading washing machine. Thank you.